Hello, kind nature. A rainy day's here in Singapore. It's very common for us to have a common cold, a flu, and a cough during this cold weather. It's nice to have a natural drinks to prevent us from respiratory tract infections or even when you already have cough. By the way, I'm drinking this natural home remedies drinks for my mild cough. This combinations of ingredients will help to clear a mucus and phlegm from our chest and lungs area.
A few moments later.
Ginger has a gingerol and rich of potassium. Antioxidants helps to prevent cancer, heart disease and diabetics. Garlic has a allicin properties. Small green lime is rich in vitamin C. Honey has a good source of antioxidants, antibacterial, and antifungal. Mix all ingredients in a cup together with hot water. Best consume early in the morning as you needed. Enjoy and stay healthy.